Okay, a death or a divorce is a traumatic event. Navigating the intricacies of Social Security after divorce or death can feel overwhelming, but it does not have to be. Whether you're a divorcee or a surviving spouse, understanding the rules surrounding Social Security benefits can significantly impact financial planning for retirement. Today, we're going to discuss helpful information on dispersing benefits after divorce or death and the navigation of the process, because failure to navigate this process correctly may prove costly. First, it's essential to clarify what Social Security benefits entail. These are benefits made to qualified retirees, disabled individuals, as well as their spouses, children, and survivors. These benefits are funded by payroll taxes collected from employers and employees throughout a person's working life. After a divorce, Social Security benefits can be a critical factor in financial stability for some individuals. According to the Social Security Administration, divorcees may be eligible if they meet the following criteria: are age 60 or older, or age 50 to 59 when have a disability, did not remarry before age 60, were married for 10 years or longer, married at least 9 months before the spouse's death. It's vital to know that claiming benefits does not affect your ex-spouse's access to benefits. Also, eligibility for benefits is based on the ex-spouse's records, even if the ex-spouse remarried. However, the spouse seeking benefits must have a lower amount than their excuse me, ex-spouse. Basically, if you're worried that your ex-spouse will get mad that you claimed off theirs, they won't even know. Okay, so don't worry about it. Social Security benefits offer financial support in the event of a spouse's death. Widows, widowers, and dependents of deceased workers may be eligible for Social Security survivor benefits. According to the Social Security Administration guidelines, a widow or widower who is full retirement age or older receives 100% of the deceased worker's benefit. Meanwhile, those 60 or older but under full retirement age receive 71 to 99% of the worker's basic benefit. A widow or widower can also receive managed benefits from age 60 or even as early as 50 if they're disabled. Care should be taken if a spouse receives an unfortunate diagnosis between 62 and full retirement age, especially if that spouse has a better earnings record than the non-ill spouse. It may make sense for the ill spouse not to claim before death because it may adversely affect the spouse's widow or widower's benefit. Okay, children may be eligible for benefits in certain circumstances as well. If they're age 17 or younger, age 18 or 19 and still enrolled full-time in a K through 12 school, or developed a disability under age 21. There are resources to assist in application for benefits. The Social Security Administration's website provides comprehensive information on the various benefits available and eligibility for requirements. Alternately, financial professionals or Social Security lawyers can offer personalized guidance regarding benefits. Whereas the Social Security website does provide comprehensive information. However, sometimes not knowing what question to ask can be costly. I had a client who was completely unaware she could claim off her ex-husband's record, and she applied for her own benefit. Since his record was significantly higher than hers, this likely proved to be costly for her. So, things you should do. First, gather all the necessary death or documents: birth certificate, marriage certificate, proof of U.S. citizenship, W-2 forms, state-issued ID. If a surviving spouse, a death certificate may also be required. Step 2, initiate the application process. Applying for Social Security benefits online, in person at a Social Security office, or calling the Social Security Administration. It's important, it is vital to understand the application process and provide accurate information to avoid complications. After applying, you need to monitor the claim's progress by checking its status online or contacting the Social Security Administration. Seek professional help. No, this is not what it sounds like that are crazy or something. If you find it challenging to navigate the process, seek a professional to help you out. Financial professional can help guide towards receiving full benefits you're entitled to. In conclusion, navigating Social Security after death or divorce may be emotional and complex. However, understanding the guidelines, benefit amount, and eligibility for benefits can help you work towards financial stability during these challenging times. Other reasons to bring in a financial planner is because the rules change frequently, and a good one will be up to date on the latest changes. If nothing else, the numbers change from year to year, and they'll think of things laymen won't. They'll inform you the choice you have and the consequences of the choices you make. Once you graduate, be it from welding school, engineering school, or law school, you're going to need a different plan for each of these strategies that's tailored to your individual situation. During your working years, am I saving enough and is it in the right place? Glide path to retirement, which I've arbitrarily uh, labeled as the last 10 years prior to retirement. Will the USS retirement be shipshape on the appointed day? Retirement. How do I avoid running out of money before I run out of life? Legacy. Does what I worked hard for get to where I want it to after I'm done with retirement? I do in-person Zoom and phone appointments. You can reach me at herwirefinancial.com. I am licensed and registered across several states and can easily add states if there's a need. If you'd like to schedule an appointment, you can click on the schedule appointment button in the upper right-hand corner of my website. Want to see more videos like this? Go to my website and click on the YouTube channel button. It's that red one. If your friends want more information, they can follow me on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube. Please like and subscribe. Okay, for those who prefer the good old-fashioned telephone, 518-631-2569. Do not text that number. We will both be sad because I won't get it. There's a separate texting number right there. Opinions voiced in this material are for general information only, not intended to provide specific advice or recommendations for any individual. All performance referenced is historical. No guarantee of future results. All indices are unmanaged and may not be invested in directly. All data is believed to be from reliable sources. However, no representation is made as to its completeness or accuracy. None of this is to be construed as tax or legal advice. Consult your advisor prior to taking any action. The information is intended to be educational, not tailored to the investment needs of any specific investor. All investing involves risk, including loss of principal. There is no strategy that assures success or protects against loss. There is no guarantee that a diversified portfolio will enhance overall returns or outperform a non-diversified portfolio. Diversification does not protect against market risk.